There are some home screen adjustment basics you have to know to optimize your phone use. First one, you can move apps from your app drawer to your home screen. Just go to your drawer, choose the app, press and hold and drag it to the top of your screen. Then release it where you want to place it. You can also place it with your favorite apps at the bottom of your home screen by pressing and holding and releasing it in between the other apps. These apps will be visible on all the pages of your home screen. This way, you can optimize your home screen to get to your most used apps straight away instead of losing a lot of time searching them in your drawer. Second one, you can also create folders on your home screen to organize your apps. Just press and hold the app and drag it right above the app you want to include it with in a folder. Then release. You can also give it a folder name. Press Done. Number 3. To further optimize your home screen, you can add numerous widgets. Just press and hold the free area on your screen and choose Widget. Here you can look for the widgets you'd like. For example, Reminder. Just press and hold the widget and release it where you want it to be. You can also adjust the settings of the widget by pressing and holding and pressing Settings. For example, making it fully transparent. That's it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly updates.